Welcome. Is LinkedIn constantly kicking you out? It can be frustrating to get logged out repeatedly, especially when you're trying to network or job search. But don't worry, here are some simple steps to troubleshoot and fix this issue so you can stay connected without interruption. First, check your internet connection. LinkedIn, like any online service, needs a stable connection. On your device, go to Settings and click on the network icon to ensure you have a reliable connection. If your Wi-Fi is spotty, try switching to mobile data or connecting to a different network. Next, give the app a quick refresh. Close the LinkedIn app completely and then reopen it. This can often resolve minor glitches that might be causing the frequent logouts. If the problem persists, it's time to clear the app cache. This removes temporary files that could be interfering with the app's performance. 1. To do this on most devices, go to your device settings, find LinkedIn in the Apps section, and tap on it. Then, click on Clear Data and choose Clear Cache. Confirm the action when prompted. Still facing the issue? A simple restart might be all you need. Restarting your device clears out any background processes that could be causing conflicts with LinkedIn. After your device restarts, open the LinkedIn app again and see if the problem is resolved. If you're still encountering those unwanted logouts, there are a few more things to consider. An outdated browser can cause issues with websites, including LinkedIn, so make sure you're using the latest version. Accumulated cache and cookies in your browser can also interfere with LinkedIn, so clearing them might solve the problem. Browser extensions can sometimes conflict with LinkedIn too, so try disabling any unnecessary extensions. Also, make sure that the date and time settings on your computer are correct. Mismatched date and time settings can sometimes cause login issues. In some cases, the issue might be related to an authentication conflict caused by having dual accounts. This can happen if you've used the Sign In with Google feature, which might unintentionally create a new LinkedIn profile. To resolve this, sign in to LinkedIn with your Google account. Set a new password for it, and then delete the Google account LinkedIn profile. After that, try logging in with your original LinkedIn account. If none of these steps work, don't hesitate to contact LinkedIn support. They can provide tailored assistance to figure out the cause of the problem and find a solution. Staying logged in on LinkedIn is essential for maintaining your professional presence, so hopefully, these steps will help you resolve any logout issues you're experiencing.